Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best makeup cleaner mat is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any makeup lover's arsenal, transforming the tedious chore of cleaning your brushes and sponges into a quick, efficient, and even enjoyable process, ensuring your beauty tools are always pristine and ready for flawless application, saving you time and frustration while prolonging the life of your favorite makeup applicators. Number 5. Alyfini Electric Makeup Brush Cleaner. Tired of spending ages cleaning your makeup brushes? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep them pristine with minimal effort. Its powerful spinning action effectively removes all makeup residue, dirt, and oil from your brushes and sponges. This versatile cleaner is perfect for all your makeup brushes, beauty sponges, and powder puffs, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Enjoy a faster, more efficient cleaning process that also helps you save on cleanser and shampoo. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to take with you anywhere, so you can maintain your beauty tools on the go. Keep your makeup application flawless by ensuring your tools are always clean and ready to use. What we like. This automatic cleaner offers powerful friction for a deep clean. It's portable and saves you time. If you have a large brush collection and want an effortless, thorough clean, this is the one for you. What people say. Tiny little thing but works just as described. You're going to want to clean all of your brushes, your neighbor's brushes, etc. So easy and kind of fun to use. My before and after of my makeup brush was only after 3 quick cleans. I only dumped the water twice. Small but mighty. I didn't show this, but it does clean your sponges just as fast and thorough. This brush cleaner is incredibly easy to use. You just attach your brush, add water and soap, and let it do its thing. It takes only a few minutes to clean and dry the brushes, which is amazing. It does a fantastic job at cleaning my brushes. Even the ones I use for foundation, which usually take forever to clean by hand, come out spotless. The brushes are also completely dry and ready to use right after cleaning. The machine is compact and portable, so it doesn't take up much space on my vanity. The design is sleek and modern, and it's lightweight, making it easy to store when not in use. It's effective and does what it's supposed to. It gets the brushes clean, and seems very durable. I love that. It is not that big and is fairly compact. Number 4. Makeup Brush Cleaning Mat and Drying Rack. Tired of messy makeup brush cleaning? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your brushes pristine. This tool makes cleaning quick and easy. Our unique clover-shaped mat provides multiple cleaning surfaces. Its textured design effectively removes makeup residue from your brushes. Featuring 28 holes, this holder securely dries your brushes after cleaning. It ensures they maintain their shape and prolongs their lifespan. Crafted from high-quality, flexible silicone, it's built to last. This material is gentle on your brushes and easy to clean. Available in classic black and vibrant pink, it adds a touch of style to your vanity. Keep your makeup tools organized and ready for use. This is your complete solution for brush care. Clean, dry, and store your makeup brushes efficiently with this essential accessory. What we like. This mat not only cleans but also dries your brushes with its 28-hole rack. It's a versatile tool for efficient brush maintenance. If you want to streamline your cleaning process and keep your brushes organized and dry, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The cleaning pad with its different shapes and grooves touches every bristle and works out all the makeup. The pink brush mat is wonderful. Suction cups on bottom stick to sink very well while using it, and the different notches on the mat allow all bristle types to be cleaned. This system makes it so easy. I put the silicone pad in the sink so that only one part of it has water running on it, then use the other 2 parts to clean the makeup off the brush, then rinse with fresh water. Fast and efficient, and the brushes are very clean. Number 3. Silicone Makeup Brush Cleaner Mat. Tired of spending too much time cleaning your makeup brushes? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep them spotless with minimal effort. This large-sized cleaning pad offers ample space for thorough cleaning. Its innovative design ensures every bristle is reached for a deep clean. Crafted from high-quality silicone, it's gentle on your brushes, preventing damage while effectively removing makeup residue. The built-in suction cups keep the mat firmly in place on any smooth surface. This allows for hands-free cleaning, making the process even easier. Add a touch of color to your beauty routine with this stylish green cleaning pad. It's as functional as it is attractive. Achieve perfectly clean brushes every time. This essential tool simplifies your makeup routine and ensures hygienic application. What we like. Enjoy a generous cleaning area with this large mat. The secure suction cup keeps it in place for vigorous scrubbing. If you prefer a manual clean with ample space and stability, this mat is ideal for you. What people say. The mat is made of silicone, which is durable and easy to clean. It has a textured surface that helps to grip brushes and prevent them from slipping. The mat folds up compactly for storage and travel. Number 2. Sigma Beauty Sigma Spa Express Brush Cleaning Mat. Introducing the Sigma Spa Express Brush Cleaning Mat. Achieve a deeper clean for your makeup brushes with ease. Its innovative design ensures a thorough clean, removing makeup and impurities effectively. The compact size makes it perfect for any travel makeup kit. Crafted from durable silicone, this mat gently cleans your brushes without causing damage. You'll love how refreshed your brushes feel after each use. Featuring suction cups, it stays securely in place on your sink or counter. This allows for a hands-free cleaning experience. Its compact and lightweight design makes it an essential addition to your travel essentials. Keep your brushes pristine wherever you go. This stylish pink mat not only performs exceptionally but also adds a pop of color to your beauty routine. It's the perfect blend of function and fashion. What we like. Designed for convenience, this mat is compact and perfect for travel. Its specialized zones ensure an effective clean. If you're a frequent traveler or have limited space, this portable cleaning solution is a must-have. What people say. The different textured zones really get deep into the bristles, even on my densest foundation and contour brushes. It cut down the time and soap I used to use by over half. And it leaves my brushes as clean as the day I bought them. This attaches strongly right to the side of the sink, which makes rinsing and cleanup even easier. I also prefer this method over wrapping it around my hand, but you can do that if you prefer, as the size is just right. Using this cleaning assistant is super easy and all of the different textures really work to release makeup from deep in the brush. Number 1. Rose Red Silicone Makeup Brush Cleaner Glove. Tired of spending ages cleaning your makeup brushes? Introducing a revolutionary way to get them sparkling clean in minutes. This innovative tool makes brush cleaning simple and effective. Designed with soft silicone, it gently yet thoroughly removes makeup residue and oil from your brushes. Protect your delicate brush fibers while achieving a deep clean. Its compact glove design fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to maneuver. Take it anywhere for quick cleanups, ensuring your brushes are always ready to use. Whether it's your foundation brush or your eyeshadow blender, this scrubber is perfect for all your cosmetic brushes. Achieve a flawless makeup application every time. Add a touch of style to your beauty routine with its vibrant rose red color. It's not just functional, it's a beautiful addition to your makeup accessories. Simply apply some cleaning solution and water, swirl your brushes, and rinse. It's incredibly easy to use and even easier to clean afterwards. What we like. This unique glove style mat offers an ergonomic grip for comfortable cleaning. It provides a gentle yet effective scrub for your brushes. If you prefer a hands-on approach with maximum control and comfort, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. Love how large it is. Easy to wash multiple makeup brushes at a time. You can use it as a glove or place it in your sink. I love the different regions that allow you to clean rinse each brush in a super efficient way. My hands get dried out easily and irritated, so when I'm cleaning my brushes now I don't have to even get me hand wet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.